Hi, my good name is Anlele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do apple crumble. And viewers, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And our ingredients are our flour 500 grams, our sugar 250 grams, almond powder 250 grams, margarine 250 grams, and our 10 apples, green apples that I have already washed them, peeled them and cut them into quarters, you can see. Then I'll put a handful of raisins and sultanas. So our crumble is divided into two. First, I'll make the crumble first with the flour, the almond powder, the sugar and the margarine. Then I'll show you how, and I'll saute the green apples and I'll show you as we go by. So what we do, I've already sieved my 500 grams flour. Now I'll mix in my dry ingredients. Then now I'll mix my margarine. I'll go in with my hands to make the crumble. Make sure your hands are clean. You can do it with your machine, but I wanted to show you how to do it manually without using a machine. For those people who don't have machines, you can still do it very manually, but to save time you can use your machine. You incorporate everything until you get the crumbly. We are looking for the crumbly mixture. And there we have it. Our mix is ready. This is how you know that your mix is ready. You can see it's like sand. It looks like sand. Now we are going to go to the next part. Okay, now we are going to saute our green apples. I put a little bit of margarine, and I just put them, and a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, plus a handful of our raisins and sultanas. That will do it. We'll cover it so that it softens. Our apples are soft and they are already cooked. So switch off. I'll add just a few. The raisins. It's very nice. Try it. Make sure you cover it in a way that you cannot see our eyeballs. We are going to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for until it is ready, or like for 30 minutes. Our apple crumble, it came out so well. You can see how beautiful it is. This is the dessert that you really need to try it after lunch, after breakfast, after dinner. It's very nice. Also, you can serve it for brunch. It's very, very nice. Please try it and let me know in the comment section, and I'll be so glad to read your comments. Now I am scooping some of it so that you see how it baked from inside. There it is, our apple crumble. Very nice. You can see how it is. It's very, very nice. On your test panel, let me test for you. Very nice. Very nice. Please try my apple crumble. As I'm talking, I'm salivating. Hey, it's very nice. Please try it. Please try it and let me know in the comment section how you felt, because me, I'm feeling so nice. It's very, very nice dessert. Warm dessert taken after dinner, after lunch, after breakfast, brunch, and you're going to enjoy it. Please, my viewers, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.